Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta AI Creators tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can write tags for your YouTube videos and other content. So today we're going to go to the AI panel. We're going to go down to templates, and you can go to this video tab, or we can scroll all the way down to these blue ones and find YouTube Tags Generator. So here we have a way to generate tags for a YouTube video. One of the things that I like to start with is the title. So name of this video is going to be Just Meta AI Creator Tutorial, how to write SEO, how to creating SEO optimized tags for your YouTube videos. And then I'm going to just give this some keywords like SEO, YouTube, views, subscribers, traffic, right? I can change my tone of voice here, my level of creativity, right? And then you can hit generate. So now it's going to give me a whole list of tags over here. So I can download these tags and save them to a file, or I can hit save document and they'll come here over into my documents, right? But it gives me this whole list of tags that I can put on my YouTube videos, such as SEO tutorial, YouTube tags tutorial, YouTube optimization, right? So these are all tags that I can use in my videos. I got all kinds of editing tools and stuff up in here. So that way, if you want to change the tone of something, you can, come in here, check the grammar, shrink the content, expand the content, improve your writing, the whole 9 yards. So guys, this is how you create tags in Just Meta AI Creator. And we'll hope you join us for other tutorials, as we have about 70 templates at launch that we got to get through. And there's going to be many, many more. Thank you and have a great day.